Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AK Tech Hub. I am AK Nigam and I am an Indian YouTuber for technology videos. So today I want to say something about SQL, that means structured query language. So most of the subscribers asked to me what is SQL and what are and how can SQL do, and what can SQL do, and what are the advantages of SQL, that means structured query language. So I want to say something about SQL. So let you access and manipulate databases. SQL became a standard of the American National Standards Institute, that means ANSI, in 1986, and of the International Organization for Standardization, that means ISO, in 1987. SQL can execute queries against a database. SQL can retrieve data from a database and also insert records in a database. SQL can update records in a database. SQL can delete records from the database. SQL can create new databases. SQL can create new tables in a database. SQL can create stored procedures in a database. SQL can create views in a database. SQL can set permissions on tables, procedures and views. SQL is a standard. Yes, SQL is a standard, but SQL is an ANSI/ISO standard, American National Institute / International Standard Organization standard. There are different versions of the SQL language. However, to be compliant with the ANSI standard, they all support at least the major commands such as select, update, delete, insert, where in a similar manner. Most of the SQL database programs also have their own extensions in addition to the SQL standard. Using SQL in your website to build a website that shows data from a database, you will need an RDBMS, that means Relational Database Management System, database program such that MS Access, SQL Server and MySQL. To use a server-side scripting language like PHP or ESP, to use SQL to get the data you want, to use HTML, CSS to style the page. So this is a very important information about SQL. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.